Bluehost and DreamHost, two giants of web hosting. Which one really delivers? On the left, Bluehost, your all-in-one, beginner-friendly hosting powerhouse, and on the right, DreamHost. Flexible, affordable, and privacy-focused hosting. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Check it out, a mind map of all the categories we're gonna compare. Price, performance, features, and ease of use, WordPress hosting, security, support, and scalability. Yup, we're covering the stuff that actually matters when you're picking a host. Let's start with price, and honestly, who doesn't love saving a few bucks? Bluehost gives you free email on all plans, which isn't bad, plus those intro deals, but the catch? Yeah, those renewal rates jump and you gotta lock in for at least a year. Now, flipping over to DreamHost, their month-to-month option is legit awesome if you hate commitment. Renewal prices are way lower, and the 97-day money-back guarantee. Pretty wild, right? Only thing, email isn't always free on the lower plans, but it's not a deal-breaker. So in the price game, DreamHost comes out ahead. Now, on to performance. Bluehost does a solid job during traffic spikes, like you get that stability, plus Cloudflare CDN integration right from the start. Downsides? A tiny bit slower on the average response times, which if you're obsessed with speed might bug you. DreamHost though, their servers are speedier, like noticeably faster in independent tests. Uptime is top-notch too, even better than Bluehost. The only quirky thing, you don't get a built-in CDN, so you gotta set it up yourself, but still, for pure speed and reliability, DreamHost is our winner here. On features and ease of use, okay, Bluehost is kind of the all-in-one deal. You get this guided WordPress setup, AI website builder, which is actually fun to play with, free email, SSL, security stuff, all baked in. The interface, classic cPanel, super easy for newbies. Sure, you lose a few advanced goodies on the cheaper plans, but honestly, most folks won't even notice. Now with DreamHost, they have their own custom control panel. It's slick, kinda modern. Most plans let you host unlimited sites, which is a nice flex. Only thing, some standard features like email are paid extras, so if you want everything out of the box, Bluehost is the move. Winner in this category, Bluehost. Oh, and here's something cool most folks don't know, DreamHost gives you a 97-day money-back guarantee. Yeah, 97 days. Compare that to everyone else who barely break 30, that's pretty much risk-free. WordPress hosting? Now this is where things get interesting. Bluehost rolls out WordPress pre-installed, keeps it auto-updated, and their custom dashboard is super friendly for total beginners. Great if you're just starting out, but advanced backup and staging features, gotta pay up for those. DreamHost brings out the premium tools in their DreamPress plans. You get staging, serious caching, and other stuff for the WordPress pros. Downside, most cool features are behind the pricier packages. So for hassle-free WordPress, Bluehost leads. But hey, DreamHost is worth a look for professionals. Let's talk security, nothing boring here. Both hosts give you free SSL certificates so your visitors don't see those scary warnings. Bluehost and DreamHost both let you tack on extra security if you want, but automated backups and malware scanning. Sadly, on both, you're gonna pay extra. DreamHost gets some bonus points for privacy focus though, but all in all, security's a tie. Support, this is a biggie. Bluehost hooks you up with 24/7 live chat and phone support anytime, day or night. If you need help, someone's usually there though, heads up, sometimes they'll try to upsell you. Now, DreamHost does have solid support and an extensive knowledge base, but live chat only during business hours if you're not on those premium DreamPress plans. So if you want hand-holding whenever, Bluehost wins in support hands down. Last up, scalability. Bluehost lets you smoothly upgrade to VPS or dedicated hosting if your site blows up easy enough. There are managed options, though they're kind of limited on higher-end plans. DreamHost? It's got fully managed VPS and dedicated servers, a bit more pro-level. Not as many beginner-friendly tools at the top tiers, but honestly at this point you probably don't need them. So for growing your site with you, both hosts hold their own. It's a tie. Let's do a quick recap. Visually, imagine a radar chart where DreamHost leads on price and performance, Bluehost edges ahead with features, WordPress hosting, and support, and both are locked close for security and scalability. So to wrap it up, DreamHost honestly nails it if you want cheaper long-term prices, top speed, and flexibility. Bluehost shines for beginners who want guided onboarding, super helpful WordPress tools, and solid support. My take: DreamHost is the pick if value and flexibility matter to you, but if you want everything set up and ready without wondering what next, Bluehost is the way to go. If this comparison saved you hours of research and a headache, hit subscribe for more reviews and smart side-by-sides like this. Trust me, your future self will thank you.